Your dog's wrestling, running, tail wagging, and suddenly, sneeze. Wait, are they sick? Not at all. That sneeze means they're happy. Dogs play sneeze to show excitement and friendliness. It's their way of saying, "Hey, this is fun. I'm not mad." In the wild, wolves do it too. A tiny puff of air that keeps the peace. It's their laughter, their way of keeping play gentle and full of love. So next time your pup sneezes mid-zoomy, don't worry. They're just saying, "I'm having the best time ever." Follow for more heartwarming secrets from a dog's world.